Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 25 of the Adobe XD tutorial series. So today we're going to look at how to create custom color palette inside of Adobe XD. So to create a custom color palette, what you can do is you can go on to any shape right here. So over here you can see that on the fill section you can actually have a color selection. So one way to create your own color palette is to actually select the color that you want and click the plus icon right here to create your custom color palette just like that. But this is not really an easy process. Maybe you want to use other Adobe, maybe color generators and things like that. And so for that, I'm going to go into Adobe Color Cc. So this is a free application. You can go to color.adobe.com and you get this color generating app right here. So what you can do is you can go for monochromatic colors, you can go for triad colors and different complementary colors, any colors that you want, and then select the color wheel. So it will create a 5 color color chart for you guys for you to use, and this is quite according to the rules. So this will help you create a consistent color design. So you can create shades of different colors and so forth. So this is how you can select a custom color. So you can actually choose this. As you can see, I can expand the range of the colors, and let's say you find a color range, a color palette that you want. So one way to import the color is by using the hexadecimal codes right here. So I'm just going to copy this hex code. So let's say you want this color, you can come back to XD and type in that hexadecimal code and press enter, and you can see the color there. So this is one way of adding in the color as well. So for this, let's say I want this pinkish color right here, pinkish magenta. Just go over here, paste it, press enter, and you can see that that color is actually present. Another way to create a custom color palette is one easy way. Use the snipping tool inside of Windows. So I'm just going to use a snipping tool over here. So just gonna press enter, and over here inside my color palette, I'm gonna do new. Just select the snipping tool, this portion right here, which is the main color palette that you want to use. So let me just copy this out and then press Ctrl V to paste it in place. Alright, so once I do that, I want to resize this so that I got my color palette over here. Let's just drag this in just like that. And then what I'm going to do is now I can use the color picker to select that color. So you can see that I can actually click it, and you can see that the color picker actually fills it up for me. So now you can just go over here and then let's say for example take this color, press this, and then you can add it to the color palette just like that. So seems like the color palette is full over here. Alright, so now you can just select this color right here, select the color that you want, and add in that color just like that. And then you can remove the fill. Alright, let's say for example remove the fill, Ctrl Z. Alright, and over here there's the color palette. So just select this, select another color you want, and then add to the palette, Ctrl Z, select this color, go over here, add it to the color palette, press Ctrl Z, and then select this color again. So just select this one, select the color, and then add it to the palette just like that. And you can see that I can just take a sample of the color, and without having to enter the hexadecimal code, I can simply add in the colors to the color palette. Alright, so some of the colors seems to be existing quite beforehand. So over here, just add in the color palette, it is already here. So that color is not there. Alright, so let me just press Ctrl Z. Alright, Ctrl Z. There you go. Alright, so that is how you can create custom color palettes. And another way is to go into the assets panel and just add in the colors that you want over here. But for that you actually need to use the colors over here because the images are not supported. But for example, if you have multiple colors right here, as we saw in the previous lesson, what we can do is we can select the colors that maybe we want to use again, is use those same colors again. For example, now I'm gonna select another color right here. Alright, so select this color, and over here select this color, and over here select this color, And now I can simply add in the colors over here onto the color palette. Just click this and you can see that the colors actually appear just like that. And this doesn't actually work with the image because image has different shades of colors. Anyways, that is how you can create custom color palettes inside of Adobe XD. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.